Offshore wind today is the fastest growing renewable technology, with production set to increase fivefold in the next 10 years.
Off the coast of Scotland, Ocean Winds is building the Moray West offshore wind farm, aiming for full power in 2025. It will consist of 60 very large wind turbines on top of the biggest monopile in the world.
Ocean Winds is a joint venture between ENGIE and EDPR. We have in the pipeline 18 gigawatts in different stages. We are one of the major developers worldwide. Moray West is a project with a total capacity that is almost 1 gigawatt, so it's very important for us.
So Moray West offshore wind farm, when it's operational, will power 1.3 million homes. It will work towards the net zero targets and is really pushing the boundaries of what's possible in offshore wind.
The financing of Moray West is about 2 billion GBPs. BNP Paribas was one of the mandated lead arrangers of the deal. They provided debt and also hedging.
It's quite an innovative project. First, pretty significant in terms of size, but at the same time, quite innovative in terms of the different payment schemes, which was a big challenge for banks.
The way we are planning to sell our energy is particularly innovative. Rather than selling 100% to the government, we have a structure where we sell a lot of our energy to corporates or businesses.
At the moment, in terms of financing for Ocean Winds, we have a secure project in Poland, in the US, and in Korea. And we also have projects in the longer run in Scotland and in Australia.
BNP Paribas has been involved in 3 projects of Ocean Wind so far. Our aim is to continue to actively contribute to a sustainable and low carbon economy.
For the offshore wind industry, the financial support from banks is key. And what we expect from BNP Paribas is to keep supporting us as they have done in the past.